Colgate's Optic White Pen is a hassle-free way to whiten your teeth. Here's how to use it. On your first application, click the pen up to 20 times for the first drop to appear. On each additional application, you will only need to click the pen once or twice, which will provide enough serum for up to 4 teeth. For best results, dry your teeth with a tissue, then apply a single thin layer onto each tooth across the row. Re-click the pen once or twice after every 4 teeth and continue to apply. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for a clear coating to form. Repeat with the bottom row of teeth. Leave the dried coating on your teeth overnight. The serum will form a coating that continues to whiten as you sleep. In the morning, brush your teeth like normal to brush away the coating and reveal a brighter, whiter smile. To clean your pen, wipe the brush bristles with a dry tissue. To keep the pen from drying out, clean the bristles using a dry tissue only. Make sure not to use water. Then firmly close the cap until you hear a click. If the pen dries out, click 2 or 3 times to dispense more serum and flex the brush to soften. And that's how to use Colgate's Optic White Pen for a whiter, brighter smile.